their activities to help the campers develop independence. There's a designated place later on over there. There's a place up there for the parents to stay, you know, in case while you're waiting. But today, parents are requested to stay for a while for a short conference. Okay. The use of foul or offensive language is strictly prohibited. I think that's very self-explanatory, right? And taking pictures during sessions is not allowed.
And like ating for sister Kuya Nico brother. So you come down.
Okay. Can we give them like, do you know Mabuhay Club? No, I'll teach you one. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Mabuhay. Okay? Very simple. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Mabuhay. Okay? Let's give them Mabuhay Club. Ready? All together. Go. Mabuhay. Mabuhay is long live. Okay? And we have also for the next day, to, other campers, other counselors. They will be 1, 2, 3, Pinoy ako. Ready? You do that? Is that difficult? Ready? Go.
Pinoy ako.
A little bit stronger, more passionate. Ready? Go.
Pinoy ako.
Okay, thank you so much.
Just like me and Queen Ethan, and you're going to inside. But you might notice I'm pausing. I told us we should not pause. Intimately, you don't stop. So how it should go is inside. Okay? Does that make sense to everybody? Yeah. Okay, so let's start off with pair of partners, one on each end. Me and Queen Ethan.
We're going to the double now. Let's do the double. 1, 2, 3.